Will the day come when artificial intelligence not only becomes a part of the workforce, but takes over entirely? This is not just a sci-fi scenario, but a real question that is starting to knock on the doors of our reality as we delve deeper into the 21st century. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence dominates the workforce. The benefits could be significant. Automation could handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex, creative roles. Efficiency could skyrocket as machines work faster and make fewer mistakes than their human counterparts. AI could analyze vast amounts of data to make accurate predictions and informed decisions, potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, climate science, and economics. Now imagine a different side of this coin. As AI becomes more prevalent, jobs could be lost, leading to unemployment and social instability. There could be ethical concerns too. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and transparent? And what about privacy? With AI analyzing vast amounts of data, the potential for misuse and abuse could be substantial. The question of AI dominance in the workforce is not just about technology, it's about society, economy, ethics, and much more. It's about the kind of world we want to live in and the steps we need to take to get there. In essence, we are standing at the crossroads of a new era. On one hand, the potential benefits of AI dominance in the workforce can be significant: increased efficiency, the opportunity for human creativity to flourish, and breakthroughs in various fields. On the other hand, the challenges are real and significant: potential job loss, ethical concerns, and privacy issues. As we forge ahead into an uncertain future, it is crucial that we navigate these waters with care. The future of AI in the workforce is not something to be feared, but something to be thoughtfully and carefully managed. It's an opportunity to redefine what work means, to push the boundaries of human potential, and to build a world that is better for everyone. The future is not set in stone. It is ours to shape. Will we rise to the challenge? The answer lies in our hands. It's time to think, to debate, to innovate. Because the future of AI in the workforce is not just about machines, it's about us.